Hello everyone, welcome to BlogHunch. In the last video, we have seen how to configure the payment gateways. In this one, we will see how to create your first ever digital product. So today we will be creating a course. Let's head over to the digital products and click on courses. This is our course editor. It contains few basic fields in order to create a course. Let's start with the first one. So I'm creating a course for this video demo. The first input here is the title. And based on the title, it is going to create the URL. You can always configure the URL the way you want. Next comes the description. I'm going to take the description from the internet. This description will be used for the meta description as well. Next, I'm putting this about. In the about section, you can put as much as data you want, and this one supports markup. So you can put the text as bold or as italic and format the way you want. However, for the description, this is limited to 200 characters. Next comes the cover image. So for the cover image, I'm putting a random image. And then comes the featured video. For the featured video, again, I'm taking one random YouTube video and putting it right here. For the featured video, it will be used in the course details page. If you don't put any featured video and leave it blank, it will fall back to the cover image. For the featured video, it supports videos from different hosting platforms like YouTube, Vimeo, Dailymotion, and the others. Next, you will find this section to configure the payments. If you leave this off, then it will become a free course. But if you turn it on, you can configure whatever price you want to put for the course. Now, at the left-hand side, we have the USD pricing. At the right-hand side, we have the INR price. So if you have Razorpay configured, only then you'll be able to see these two inputs. Now let's see what the first input is. And that is the USD actual price. And the next one is USD offer price. So let's put 20 for the actual price. And let's say in offer, we are selling it for $10. In the same way, for INR, let's say that we are selling it for 1,000 rupees. And now in offer, we are only giving it away for 500. After that, you have a small section where you can configure the requirements, the audience, and what you will learn. For now, we are just going to put some random values. All right. Once all of this is done, we can click on this publish button. So you can see our digital marketing for beginners course is published and it is live. Let's click on this and take a look at the layout. Here, this is the course details page. At the left-hand side, the first thing we can see is the title. After that, we have the short description. Then we have the price. This is the offer price. This is the actual price. And if you are from India, you can switch to the INR price. Again, this option will only be visible if you have turned on USD and INR payments both. At the right-hand side, we have the featured video. If by any chance you don't put a featured video, it will fall back to the cover image. After that, we have two sides. At the left-hand side, we have the About course section. After that, we have What Will I Learn? And then the course curriculum. At the right-hand side, we have the course details. Here I can see the number of sections and the number of lessons that we have in this course. Right after that, we have the course author details. This is going to fill the author details from your profile settings. Then we have the requirements and finally the audience. So this is how basically the layout looks for the course. Now let's head over to the dashboard and start putting some lessons or modules for the course. If you click on this, it will open a new screen where you will find the option to create a section. Now let's give it a name. Let's say this is intro. Our first section for this course is created, and now we can start adding modules. The structure of the course is divided into sections and modules. One course can have multiple sections, and each section can have multiple modules inside it. Once you click on Add Module, it will redirect you to the editor. This editor is the same one that you are using for the posts. Now let's get back to the internet and grab some ideas for our first module. All right, let's say this is done. And now we are ready to publish this. So you see, in the intro section, we have created our first ever module, that is digital marketing overview. Let's add another one. And now click on publish. These two modules are ready. Now let's create another section. And let's add some modules. Once this is done, we can click on this publish button right here. So now we have two sections, and each section contains one or multiple posts. Now let's get back to the course details page and let's hit the refresh button right here. And now you can see at the right hand side, this section is updated. So we have now two sections and 3 lessons. Let's scroll down and you will find the course curriculum. In the course curriculum, it is mentioned in a clean way, the section name, number of lessons, and then we have the module number 1, module number 2, and then we have the second section title and the modules. Now, in the next video, we will see how someone can complete the purchase and how the course reader looks like.